In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube channel with a specific system that's going to turn your channel into a net that lands you clients. By the end, you'll have the exact channel set up to land you 8K plus clients from your YouTube channel. So part one is the channel header and about section setup. When someone lands on your channel, you've got maybe 3 seconds before they leave. So if your banner doesn't say something like, I help specific person get specific result, you're cooked. So what you actually need is a clear banner message, something that says, helping coaches get 20 to 50 qualified calls per month with LinkedIn outreach. Clear, specific, no fluff, no jibber jabber that is talking about things that the viewer actually doesn't want to see. Your about section needs to have 3 things: who you help, what result you get them, and a clickable link to your calendar or your VSL, wherever you want to send your clients to. And then the next thing you need is a professional profile picture. This is a simple, high quality headshot. That's it. People buy from people, not from a brand or a logo, especially at a high ticket level. So let me show you some examples of channels that do this right versus the ones that look like they were set up in 2012 and never touched YouTube again. So first we have Mubu. He's the Wiz of Ecom. You've probably heard of this guy. He has a banner that's talking about build your dreams online, business today, join the utopia. You know, it's good. It's high quality. It's great. And then he has a profile picture of him and it's good quality. It's just him, normal picture, just sitting there. And then his about section is, this channel brings together the most impactful lessons for marketers, learn about ecom, marketing agencies, and more. The only thing he doesn't do is he doesn't talk about like how exactly he helps people and like the results he gets. But other than that, this is great. No fluff, no random jibber jabber. It's all good. And then he has his links to where he would want his clients to go there. And then another one is Daniel Fazio, the cold email wizard. You've definitely heard of this guy before, unless you live under a rock. His banner, the only thing with him is his banner doesn't show exactly like what it is that he does, but it's client ascension, learn more, high quality. It tells you exactly like that's what his business is. And then his description is like co-founder, client ascension, and list kit, teaching you how to build a profitable online business. My Instagram, learn how to build a profitable AI agency. Super simple, easy, has all of his links, tells you what he does. And then it gives you ways to connect with him and actually become a client. And then, yeah, his profile image is also very good. Just normal, high quality, chill, nothing complicated. And then actually, I'll show you mine as well. So this is what I was saying, like somebody said it, forget it. Like I have an update for all this kind of stuff here, and I'm going to show you guys me updating that today. So this banner, terrible, trash. You should never use something like this. It's ugly. It's low quality. No one would ever buy from you if you have a channel tag or a banner like this. This profile picture, also shit. I have glasses on. The background is just gray and ugly, and it's terrible. And then also this description that I have, it's way too packed with stuff that doesn't actually matter. Like the only thing that should be here is like what I do, how I help people, like what results I get them, and then book a call. That's it. Simple, easy, done. But this is way too much. And I'm going to show you the updated channel that I have in a second. So to update this channel, I'm going to go over to my profile. I'm going to change the banner. I'm going to add in this new banner. This is something that you guys should be using as well. Something like this. I changed my banner. Now I'm going to change my profile picture and make it something that's more professional. All right. So this image here is higher quality. It's more like normal and there's no glasses. You can see my full face. I'm smiling. I look happy. I'm not angry at the world. It's a great picture. Your headshot should be something like this. Keep it simple. Nothing complicated. Yep. And that's it. And now let's go to what the channel actually looks like. This is what the channel looks like. It's way better now. It's way cleaner. So those are the examples. And then that's how I ended up changing my channel as well. The next part is going to be your playlist and your channel organization. So the playlists are actually one of the easiest ways to keep people watching your videos. So create 3 to 5 playlists that are based on your core topics, put your best performing ones at the top, and make it stupid easy for people to keep watching. If you got playlists like how to get clients on YouTube or scaling your coaching business or case studies and results, they can just click, binge, and then eventually become a client. So the truth about that is the longer people stay on your channel, the more YouTube thinks, okay, this content is valuable and pushes it to more people. Plus, when a high ticket client lands on your channel and sees it's organized and professional, that matters. It's a very strong trust signal. By the way, if you want us to build you a social sales system that handles all the channel optimization, YouTube scripting, thumbnails, and also guarantees 20 to 50 calls a month, click the link down below to book a call. Let me show you some playlist setups that actually work for other channels. So we got Daniel Fazio here. So he starts his channel with a featured video. Pretty much you're just giving your offer and putting it there so that like when people see it's the first thing they click and the first thing that they're going to watch. And then it's going to lead them to a playlist, which the first playlist you have, like before your videos, before your For You, should be a playlist that is showing like your exact offer that you're selling right now. And then after that, you're going to have your For You, which is going to show videos to your viewers that YouTube thinks that they want to see, which is going to keep them watching your channel. And then after that, just like your videos, your daily uploads. And then if you got like business tutorials or how-to videos, put those next. And then at the end, put your case studies. And I would not recommend putting shorts on your YouTube channel. And then we'll go to Mubu, go down here. So his is the same featured video, but then his is different with For You. And then he has his videos, and then he has a playlist on like how to start an agency, how to land your first client, which are two things that he's promoting a lot because he does the Utopia, which is pretty much like a agency builder group where you can go in and learn how to like make your agency. And then after that, he has popular videos, and then he has shorts. But the best way to do it is this way, because this is actually going to take people through the customer buying process. Part 3 is video descriptions, pinned comments, and CTAs. If you aren't doing pinned comments, you should definitely be putting them in your videos. And this is where most people completely fumble the bag. They'll make a great video, get views, and then nothing. No CTA, no link, or they bury it at the bottom of the description. So here's what you need to do. You need to optimize your descriptions in your videos. The first 2 lines need to be your CTA with a clickable link. Something like, want us to get you 10 to 30 qualified calls per month. Work with me here, link. And that's what people are going to see before they click to show more, so don't waste it. The next thing you're going to want to do is pin your comment, and this is a very big thing that people commonly miss. Every single video that has your offer should say something like, want us to build you a done-for-you LinkedIn sales system? Click here, link. Most people are going to scroll to the comments, and that's the first thing that they're going to see. They can't miss it. I'll show you exact examples of descriptions and pinned comments that actually convert so you can model them for your own channel. So if you go to my channel, go over here. How's that? You guys don't need to hear me yap. And then you go here. So like work with me, link, learn how to do this, connect with me, done. That's your description. And then work with me here, boom, posted, pinned. That's all you need. Nothing else. And that is what's going to like funnel people into your business. That's what they're going to see. That's the first thing that they're going to click if they do want to actually book a call with you. It should be as easy as possible. And then part 4, so you have end screens, cards, and channel SEO. So last thing, YouTube literally gives you free tools to keep people watching and send them where you want, but most people either don't use them or have no idea that they exist. The first one is end screens, and those are those little boxes that pop up in the last 10 to 20 seconds of your video. You can link to another video, or you can link to your opt-in page, and what you should do is set up a default template so that it automatically applies to every video you upload. 2 is cards. And those are the little pop-ups that show up mid-video. Use them to link to your related content. So a card would be something like click here and you can see exactly how to make a YouTube script that actually lands clients. And then that card will show up and then it'll disappear. You should use them to link to your related content or your calendar without being annoying. It'll kind of just like show up and then go away. You know, people don't want to click it. They don't have to. And then the next thing you're going to need is channel keywords. So if you go over to your YouTube studio, so go over here, go over to settings, which is right here. And then if you click channel, you're going to have your YouTube keywords right here. And these are what's going to help you rank. Like when people are searching for you, when people are looking up channels, when people are just scrolling through their homepage, like this is going to help YouTube to recommend you to like actual clients that want to buy your stuff. And it should be simple. It should have like your name, your full name, and then your business name. And then it should be anything that like revolves around what you do. So like, let's say you're a LinkedIn sales guy. It should be like get clients with LinkedIn, LinkedIn outreach, make money with LinkedIn, how to posting with LinkedIn, you know, all that kind of stuff. Like make sure that everything that is in your tags is actually a keyword that people are going to be searching for and that YouTube knows that's what they want. Like that's what they're looking for. So it can help the algorithm to actually give them your content. If you have any comments about any of the things I was talking about in this video, drop it down below and let me know what you guys want me to make next. If you want us to build you a social sales system that handles everything for you so you can focus on landing your AK clients, click the first link in the description to book a call with me. Subscribe for more YouTube value. Peace.